Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Speedway. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index and step index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy like this. So guys, I know that a lot of people has been asking me to always test every strategy that I've used, and I've already been seeing this. Like what you guys seeing here, we have our trade that is open, and you can see we have our strategy set up on this particular strategy that we need to explain to you guys. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing more light on you on how to use two combination of windows together on trading boom 1005 minute time frames. So I'm going to explain in details on how you can use this particular strategy, setting up two window and trade successfully. As you can see, this is our first window, the window 1, and we have the second window here, which is the window 2. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the settings of this strategy at the end of this video, so you just watch this video to the end. So there are some things that you need to understand when you are trading boom and crash. You need to understand that it follows the trend of the price. You see, anytime you have your watch, you have your price that is moving. We also have your watch, your indicator window 1 to always look, and indicator window 2 to always check. So now let me start by explaining in details how you can trade this strategy. You see, there are two levels in this indicator window 1 that you need to understand, which is the level of 85 and the level of 15 here. These are very important two levels that you need to. And we also have the level of 50, which is our take profit. So you can decide that anytime you have your trade running from here, reaching this particular 50 level, you can decide to exit your market at that particular time. And also you can wait till you have another cross change on 15 level, which is going to be another reverse level for another entry. So you can decide to take your take profit too at that level. But currently now, as you can see, this is a combination of two windows together. So you have to find your confirmation on the window 1 and find your confirmation on your window 2. Then by doing this, you will have the best time for you to enter your trade and begin to scrap up the market as you want. So guys, let me show you how you can trade this successfully and how it can really help you. So what we are checking up in our window 1 is our 85 level. So we are going to be having our price on 85 level, and while we are going to be having on our window 2 the level of 90. So anytime it respects each other on this same level, then this is the right time for you to enter your trade. You see, we have two moving average on our indicator window 2. So when these two moving average, when they reach together on the same spot, like what you are seeing at this particular area, you see they respect each other on the same level, which is the level of 10. And on indicator window 1, you see the commodity channel index respects each other on the 15 level. So it give us a best assurance of where to enter our trade, and we can keep on see that we keep on catching up with a spike at this level. And also at this level, the reason why I enter this particular trade is because I know that the trend of the market have already give us a confirmation of downtrend here, and it has already give us a confirmation here, but it will remain this red moving average to reach this 90 level for me to enter this particular trade. But I could not get that confirmation at that level until this particular level show up, and I could able to enter my trade at this level. And you can see that is the profits that I'm showing you guys. So let me show you more example of what I still really mean by this. You see, at this level now, you can see we have our two moving average crossing each other at this level, and they respect that 90 level. But at this particular area now, you need to wait and confirm and make sure that you have your commodity channel index on your 85 level. Although when this particular price, when it starts to draw up the price, the commodity channel index was on 85 and it give an accurate confirmation before the market keep going and bring the commodity channels index down. So at this level now, we find a perfect accurate at this level. So we can enter our market at this level and we keep on taking down the trade. So let me show you guys another confirmation that you guys need to see like this. Yes, this is another great example of it. You see, we have these two on we are on this level. We have these two on our level of 88, on our level of 10, and we have our our indicator window 1 having respecting that level of 15. So that's another great example of what you need to understand. And also, if you check here, you will see that this particular level respect 85, when you see here, they respect 90. So by doing this, you can keep on scrapping down the market as you want. So that's exactly how it works. And guys, let me show you an example, because this strategy, it works on all booms and crash index. So let me show you the settings of this strategy. In our indicator window 1, we have our commodity channel index. We have the period of 200. We have applied to typical price. We have blue as our color here, so you can choose any color of your choice. Then we have 2 level, which is always permanent, but if you don't find it when you are setting up your own strategy, make sure you put this negative and positive figure. Then you press on done. Then we have the stochastic oscillator, which give us the access to to accommodate the channel index. We have the K period of 1, we have the D period of 1, we have the slowing of 1, we have the price feed of low high, and we have the method of simple. We have our style to be in the color of our background, because we don't want the oscillator to display on the chart, so we want it to be blank, and that's why we are putting the color of a background there. So if you are using black color, make sure you put black color here. And we have 2 level, and we have different level here. We have the 50, we have the 85, we have the 15. So you can press on done. Then we move to indicator window 2, where we have our relative strength index. We have the period of 14, and we have apply to close, and we have style as our background of color. We don't want it to also show, we want it to remain blank, not to affect our chart. And also we have our level, we have the level of 10, we have the 90, we have the 50. So you can set your 50 as your take profit level. And also we have the moving average, which is the period of 9, the shift of 0, methods to be exponential, and we have apply to close, and we choose blue as our color here. No level, then you press on done. Now we have the last moving average, which is the last indicator. We have the period of 60, we have our shift to be 0, we have methods to be exponential, we have apply to close, and we have red as our color here. So by doing this, you will have the same chart I have it here on my on my chart. You see, so what you just need to do is to apply this on your on your mobile phone, and make sure you practice more on your demo account with this strategy before using a real account. As you know, forex is about risk. You need to learn more about risk management. Just always try amount you can avoid to lose in trading. And also, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy. Thanks.